Hey guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. um Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, as always, I'm going to be doing a product review, and I'm going to be reviewing a body lotion, a whitening body lotion actually. If you're interested in hearing what I have to say about this product, please keep on watching. Welcome back, guys. So yes, today, like I said, I'll be reviewing a body lotion, and the body lotion I'm going to be reviewing is this Q7 carrot extract. I hope my camera can focus. Yes, so I'm going to be reviewing this Q7 carrot extract whitenizer body milk strong treatment. Performances the active multi-action late corporal. Those are all the things they wrote on this body lotion. I think it's in French. I'm just catching cruise. Anyway, I'll be reviewing this body lotion for you guys today, letting you know what I think about this lotion, if it's something to try out, who should try it out, and what I like and what I do not like about this lotion, as always. So without talking too much, let's get right into the video. So guys, the Q7 carrot extra lotion actually is a whitening lotion. Why did I get this lotion? I got this lotion because I gave up on that Olay lotion. I told you guys in that video. If you've not watched it, please check it out. I'm going to link it somewhere up right now in this video, so you can check it out and see what my experience was with that lotion. Using that Olay lotion just made my body, especially the skin on my body, look very dull. It felt like I wasn't doing anything, like I wasn't taking care of myself. So I just needed a drastic decision. I needed to take a drastic decision to get my glow back. So I had to go into the market to look for something that would tone me and restore the skin tone that I really like. This one, not, I don't even have a picture of what I looked like then, but I'm going to look for a picture of what I looked like when I was using that Olay body lotion and place it up here for you guys, so you guys can see the differences between then and now. Anyway, this is the lotion I'm using now, and I had to start using it because that Olay was messing up my skin. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to be giving. So I needed something that would tone me rapidly and get me back on track on my glow. Good. So I got this lotion for 3,500 naira. It's a whitening lotion. I would not advise anyone to use this for long. I've been using it. This is my first bottle, and the results have actually been really amazing. It's a whitening product, like I said. It's a toning, I don't want to say whitening, is a toning product, and it tones rapidly. Like they said on the container, they said it has fast action to unify the complexion, and I can definitely attest to this, that this is not a false claim. It unifies your complexion, it tones you out very fast. The ingredients, I was kind of like concerned about the ingredients when I was deciding to use this cream, but I checked out the ingredients and there's nothing really worrisome in the ingredient lineup. It has carrot extract, it has propylene glycol, it has stearic acid, it has water, it has cetyl alcohol, rapeseed oil, cross polymer leaf extracts, I don't know what that one is, methyl paraben and propyl paraben. So you can see from the ingredient lineup here that it doesn't contain anything really worrisome like mercury or hydroquinone, or what else is that really concerning ingredient that is usually in cream. Anyway, I can only remember mercury and hydroquinone right now. So this cream does not contain any of that. I believe what actually does the rapid toning is the carrot extract. If you guys do not know, carrots has really strong whitening and brightening properties. Not whitening, forgive me, delete that whitening, I meant to say brightening properties. If you are looking to brighten your skin rapidly, carrot oil is something to try out. So I know for a fact that the carrot extract is one of the ingredients in this lotion that does the rapid toning. Let me read what they said it's for. The Q7 Gold Body Milk efficiency on black spots of the body. Works efficiently on black spots of the body. It smoothens the skin and regulates rationally the process of production of melanin, the protective black pigment of the epidermis. A daily application gives your body firmness and brilliance. Direction for use: to obtain the best result, it's recommended to wash the skin before use, then a soft massage with Q7 Gold Body Milk on the face and other parts of the body until complete penetration. Good. So now that I've read it for you guys, I want to let you guys know my experience using it. Did I use it on my face and on my body? Most certainly I use it on my face and I use it on my body. I have no complaint whatsoever using this product on both my face and my body. As a matter of fact, when I discovered this Q7 Gold, I experimented with it on a portion of my face while I was using the what's it called now, Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Cream, and I found out that I kind of like preferred what this one was doing on my body, on my face. So I stopped using the Nivea Even Tone and I started using this one because this one was actually working faster and giving me the result I wanted. I started seeing results from using this cream in say 2 weeks thereabouts, with no reaction whatsoever on my face nor on my body. Is it a moisturizing lotion? I wouldn't say it has really strong moisturizing properties. You can get by using it as a moisturizer, but I would strongly advise that you go over it with an oil, or now that we are in Harmattan period, because I'm filming this video in December in case you guys get to watch it sometime later when it's rainy season, because I don't know when I'll be able to edit this video. Anyway, if you're using this cream alone, no matter the what's it called now, the season, you might want to go over it with a body oil. I would recommend going over it with either jojoba oil, or what's this Vit Gold oil now, alpha arbutin. Beautiful. You can go over it with Vit Gold alpha arbutin oil. After you apply this lotion, then you go over with it with a second layer of oil, because I don't feel like it's sufficiently moisturizing. Actually, my body starts turning white, or so, sort of, not white per se, but it feels dry and not hydrated when I use it alone. So I started going over it with either Vaseline, Blue Seal Vaseline, or jojoba oil. But if you can't find any of those, and if you can't find Blue Seal Vaseline, where are you staying? Anyway, if you can't find any of those and you prefer to use a body oil, I'll strongly advise you use Vit Gold alpha arbutin body oil to go over it. So yes, this cream, it does not sufficiently moisturize. In my opinion, it's not really a hydrating product. It's a super fast action toning lotion. It will blend out and even out your skin tone. It will clear out your dark marks. It would give you a really lovely skin if you're looking to brighten up a dull skin. I don't think it works on pimple. I usually see it on my comment section if it's good for pimple. No, this cream doesn't do much for pimple, but it will clear out dark spots. It will even out your skin tone. It's not sufficiently moisturizing, so you might want to go over it with a body oil. I've recommended body oils for you guys already, and yes, you can use it on your face and your body, which is perfect, especially in this economy where things are so expensive. So if you are looking to cut costs and you want something that you can just apply from head to toe, not hair, like face to toe, then certainly go for this Q7 Carrot Extract body lotion. And what else did I want to say? Yes, you can certainly use it on your face and on your body. Yes, what I wanted to say is the price. I bought this cream for 3,500 naira. It's a 350 ml cream, and it should last you a while. I use it morning and night, and this is my first bottle actually. And guys, it works very fast. I'm telling you, like in 2 weeks you will see visible results if you're in the market to brighten up or tone up a notch or a bit. Yes, so that is that about this lotion. Let me open it so that you guys can see what it looks like. It seals very properly. You can easily just travel. Why am I so fast? Calm down. Good. You can easily just travel with it and it won't spill. That's another thing I like about it. And then this is what the lotion looks like. It's a whitish consistency. It blends into the skin quite easily. And yeah, that's pretty much that about this product. Another thing I need to mention about using this body lotion is that if you're someone who is prone to having dark knuckles when you use any brightening or toning lotion, you might want to pay particular attention to your knuckles so that you know bend your knuckles like this and blend the lotion in, so you don't have to start dealing with dark knuckles again. When your body is glowing, your knuckle will be blacking. So that's that about this lotion, guys. If you've used this lotion before, let me know what you think about it, if you agree, and if it worked really nice on your skin. If you had an opposite or a different experience from what I've just shared, also let me know in the comment section. This lotion kind of like reminds me, it works in the same way that what's that lotion called, Lemon Fresh. I reviewed it on my channel, the same way Lemon Fresh works, just that this one is faster. So yeah, that's that about this video. I feel like I'm talking too much today. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.